3 magical plants that do the impossible, and the third one shuts off your tongue. First, the sugar killer, also known as Gymnema sylvestra. Just 1 bite of this, and sugar is dead to your tongue. Even chocolate tastes like cardboard. It's used to fight sugar addiction, and it works. Next, the miracle berry, or Syncephalum dulcificum. It doesn't even taste sweet, but it rewires your taste buds. Lemons taste like lemonade. Vinegar tastes like honey. And finally, the toothache plant, also called Acmella oleracea. It doesn't just take away pain, it shuts your mouth down. You bite it, and suddenly your tongue starts buzzing, tingling, like it's trying to send an SOS.